So this is how you can open or join the Temu affiliate program. Simply open up your browser and then search up Temu affiliate. So scroll down until you can find the affiliate program link. Simply open that up, and once we're here, as you can see, it says earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Tap on get started at the bottom, and then enter the email address that you use for the normal Temu app, or simply tap on continue with Google, that works as well. And so here we are at the affiliate and influencer link. If you go ahead and scroll down, this is how we can earn money through the affiliate website. As you can see, it says you can earn, and it shows how. So, for every referral who downloads and orders something from the Temu app using your link, you will get 150 plus 30% commission. So, how do you actually get the link for them to use? Well, simply tap on this Share to Earn button and then copy the link. Now, what you're going to want to do is send it to your friends or the people that you want to affiliate to. For example, if you send it to a friend and then they download the app and order something, you will get 150 along with 30% of what they spent. Sounds like a big amount of money, right? So think about it this way. If you advertise it to maybe 100 people, then you're going to get 100 times of this, which is already so much money that I can't even begin to compare. And here at the bottom, in order to sway your referrals or the people that are going to use your link, they can also get money. For example, a 2000 coupon bundle, free gifts, exclusive deals, and big coupons. And here it even shows you the easy ways to earn commissions. Share the link, get referrals, and earn the commission. It's actually pretty basic. All you have to do is share the link to dedicated referrals, and you can both earn money. Pretty cool, right? Well, how are you actually going to get this money? Well, it's going to be here under pending, and after pending, it's going to be in your wallet over here at the top. As you can see, I have 100 already, and now I can simply tap on withdraw, but I'm going to need 500 minimum to withdraw. So there's actually no maximum limit. Maybe if you want to withdraw 100,000, you can do so as well. But basically, all you have to do is tap on this withdraw button and then connect your bank, maybe your PayPal, and it's going to send you the money through there. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.